Good morning. In the movie, I would like to encourage everyone to create Christmas cards together with the children. The first suggestion is a Christmas card with a smiling baby in the manger. I used real straw for this, but it can also be straw cut out of paper. Instead of wooden sticks, cardboard strips can be used here. It will be easier to attach them to the card. I think the card is very simple, but at the same time meaningful. Here is a proposal for a Christmas card made from an unusual material. It is a rough piece of kitchen sponge painted white to give an effect of a snow-covered tree. Another proposal for cards made from unusual materials. In this case, they are pieces of Christmas napkins or curtains. The cut shape is painted with different colors and glued to Christmas shapes such as bells. This card presents a Christmas bauble hanging on a branch, but if we don't have such napkins or curtains with Christmas motifs, we can always cut out some elements and decorate them with elements such as baubles of different shapes or build a Bethlehem star. This is a card proposal that can be hung first of all. On the back there is a place to write wishes. The card depicts the Star of Bethlehem, flowers blooming for Christmas. The petals are made of tissue paper, but you can also paste the petals with paper. Then the card will not be so three-dimensional. It will be a little flatter. The flower can be left so modest, but you can also use glitter here. Instead of tissue balls, they can be some shiny beads. Then the card will be more festive. Next, work with a Christmas tree. Here I stamped the Christmas tree with straw cut into 6 parts. You can also paste such a Christmas tree with ready-made stars, snowflakes cut with a decorative punch, but such a star stamped is also easy to make. The next proposal is a card with a Christmas tree. The colorful background is to depict the glow of lit, colorful Christmas lights. Now, in the branches, after making holes with a punch, we immediately get the effect of colorful baubles. Instead of strips, the Christmas tree can be built from semicircles or triangles or from one larger triangle. This is a Christmas card with an angel. The angel is also very modest. It has a dress in the shape of a triangle. The wings are wheels folded in half. Also shiny elements in the hair. The lightness of this card is added by the legs, which are drawn with a thin black pen, and also snowflakes drawn with white pastel. This Christmas tree is stuck with branches cut out with scissors with zigzag patterns. Such a tree can be decorated as you like. I decided to stick these branches up. And this is a Christmas card in the shape of Santa Claus. Santa's beard is a wheel. The wheel is decorated with stars embossed in the paper. And for such a wheel it is enough to stick a face, mustaches, draw facial elements. All this is glued to the enlarged wheel with a cap. The cap is specially bent in the shape of a hanger so that the card can also be hung, for example, on a Christmas tree branch, and on the back write wishes. Here is a Christmas tree with notes. I think such a Christmas tree encourages Christmas caroling. Thank you for your attention. I hope I have inspired you to create your own Christmas cards. As you can see from the examples of cards, you can create from different materials.